Welcome to Prefer Auto Parts, where we prioritize customer service excellence. Based in Warren, Michigan, we provide access to the broadest inventory of used and OEM aftermarket engines and transmissions, all at significant discounts across the contiguous United States. We are committed to providing exceptional customer service, as evidenced by the glowing testimonials and reviews from our satisfied customers. Delve into the multitude of positive reviews we proudly showcase on Google, Trustpilot, and Better Business Bureau. Now, let's hear from Baby Doll, who, initially skeptical and concerned about her credit card and privacy, became a satisfied Prefer Auto Parts customer. Her experience was so exceptional that she ended up purchasing not one, but 2 parts from us.
With Ted, you'll be treated as a royal customer. I recently bought parts for my 2022 GMC Terrain and 2014 Dodge Ram 1500 from Prefer Auto Parts. Ted guided me through the process, ensuring a smooth experience. Give Ted a call for all your parts needs, no matter how big or small.
Now, let's hear from Tammy, once skeptical, now a satisfied Prefer Auto Parts customer who found the perfect engine for her, Hummer H3.
I found the perfect engine for my Hummer H3 at Prefer Auto Parts. Christopher's professionalism and smooth communication made the process easy. Despite initial skepticism about upfront payment, the timely delivery and reasonable pricing exceeded my expectations. Thanks to Prefer Auto Parts, I'm back on the road. Shop here, you won't be disappointed.
Now, let's hear from Johnny Garza, another delighted Prefer Auto Parts customer who had a tremendous experience with us.
Christopher, at Prefer Auto Parts, did a tremendous job. I almost thought he was the owner. Very informative, taking pride in his work, going above and beyond. Someone like Christopher is every business owner's dream to have. Thanks again, Christopher.
Now, let's hear from Michelle, a Mustang enthusiast, who was truly impressed by Prefer Auto Parts, sharing her experience with us.
Prefer Auto Parts process, from start to the very end, was impressive. We ordered a transmission for a 2008 Ford Mustang. Christopher was very helpful and knowledgeable in finding the best one. He kept in touch throughout the buying process and afterward, ensuring we were happy with our purchase. No trouble at all with the part. We'll choose this company again in the future. Thank you, Christopher, for all your help.
We welcome you to be part of Prefer Auto Parts satisfied customers. Your journey with us is just a call away.